Welcome to Sheboygan Chevrolet Chrysler Center. Today's special is a low mileage 2014 Chevy Cruze LT, stock number Z8748A. Only 38,000 miles on this one owner. Local trade, clean auto check history report. We sold this Cruze brand new, Blu-ray metallic in color. Cruze is a very safe vehicle. 5-star front and side government crash rating, keeping your family and friends safe and your insurance costs down. Seats 5 with a cloth interior. Split seat back folds down to accommodate longer cargo items. Backup camera for additional safety. Nice sized trunk. Wide opening makes it easy to get things in and out. And very clean, no dents or dings in the body. This LT has keyless entry with remote start, power windows, locks, mirrors, upgraded Pioneer sound system, power driver's seat, along with a tilt and telescopic steering wheel to put you in that perfect driving position, power moonroof, to read gauges. You got only 38,000 miles with driver information system. Cruise control, steering wheel mounted audio controls, large touchscreen infotainment system, for radio. It's also satellite radio capable, Bluetooth connectivity for hands-free phone use, or to connect other Bluetooth enabled devices, great for wireless music streaming. You can even sync smartphones, Pandora, and Stitcher radio apps. And that is, of course, where the backup camera display is. Hard keys below for radio. Heating and air conditioning. 6-speed automatic transmission with manual shift capability. Storage in the armrest with USB and auxiliary input, allowing you to connect mobile media devices. Spacious glove box with all the owner's materials. Overhead, auto-dimming mirror, and moonroof control. Under the hood, this Cruze has a 1.4-liter turbocharged 4-cylinder, 138 horsepower. And just as clean under the hood as the rest of the car. Excellent fuel economy. EPA average of 26 miles to the gallon in the city, average of 38 on the highway. And approximately 80% of the tire tread left. For more information, please go to SheboyganAuto.com.
Choose Sheboygan Auto. We're conveniently located at 3400 South Business Drive or at 2701 Washington Avenue in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. SheboyganAutos.com.